No, it's not lessness now.
You won't listen to this one. Anyone there? In the court, we don't do that. Okay. And I also said, don't hear me. No judge will say, he should not go in with the people that are here because they were many. I said no. If Falana is their lawyer and other citizens that there are even some that are not here now. That time this policeman did not come. They were there, we didn't want to fight them. And I said, nobody will be molested, nobody will be embarrassed. Good. No. Okay. If you are too much in the haste, I'll keep quiet. No. We need clarification. But Sabana himself agreed with me that banner will not be displayed in this court. He told me, I will put it in my vehicle. You park the vehicle wherever. Am I telling you like? No. You park the vehicle wherever you like so that you know it's not being used. I said, don't worry, I'll put it in your vehicle. I collected it from here and went inside that vehicle and put it there. He said, this is my lawyer, go with him. We went and did it. If people want to go, and all the people that were here, that he agreed with them that we go to court, and they went to court. No.
Most of them left because the court had 1 hour stand down, so we are not even many up there.
So, if people, if we were here in the morning when he came, so now, listen. If you want to go to court and listen to this,
we have to remove our clothes.
No, go ahead, sir.
Me, as I'm standing here, I am not ready. I gave them to the captain in the morning. I'm not ready to go to my town left. As to how we arrive, also another person has his own work. And the wrong choice, you use your own right because you are coming to trample on others. If this is going to start because you guys will display that banner, I told him, don't display it. The policemen came and attacked me peacefully. So I go to the town. If people are interested in going to we don't have.
Calm down, sir. Let me. That's out of point. Can you allow me to say something?
If you go and call Falana, that was saying
Falana will not come and tell us that this one not for us to wear our shirt.
if I get to point,
that's how we
sir,
if I get to point, you have a problem with
I'm not having problem. This is court rule. Ask any lawyer.
Which country says you should not put on any shirt?
It's a shirt that we
I have.
because the only thing I see, sir.
The judge is meant to defend the law.
Are you just saying that we should make any side?
we don't carry
We need the name of that judge so that we can petition the NJC that there is a particular judge who said there's a court rule that you should not put on any shirt.
No, he said that you should come naked.
That says there's a judge that says we should come naked.
What I think is that we should not be wearing clothes, we should come naked. So that that's what the judge. I mean, so we want to know.
That's being patriotic Nigeria.
Yes, now they should come inside naked. That we should not put on any clothes. I mean, I've never seen that kind of thing before in my life.
You will say there are some rules that are unwritten that is in your head. Fine, but you say it's a court rule. No, that's you said that rule.
That's no business. That's no business.
But you say it is not a court rule, not to come with any shirt, but you want shirt. So if I want to go naked, Andrew.
I know we just come with different criminal laws.
We are not supposed to go. No, that's what I think. We should be judged. I don't know why we.
I will pick him now.
So how can you help us? How can you help us now? So
I told you my position.
no, sorry, we are
on that matter already, and it's not negotiable.
It's not negotiable at all.
Yes.
So, but we need to take part in our case. All the way from Lagos.
Is he here already? I will call you your number and I
No, I want to know what.
What's he going to do? I saw he was pointing.
I don't know. I think he's trying to tell us that we can't enter the court premises.
What I was asking that man is it our shirts? He has a problem. He said, "You do have a problem." I'm not bothered about it. Do you have a problem with our shirts? Because we're not holding banners. We keep talking about banners. I keep iterating it. You're wasting our time. We're not holding banners. We're not holding placards. Are you telling me I have to go in house nude because this is how I came from Lagos?
Okay, sir. You mean that we can't go in with our shirts? No, we're not with banners. We're not with banners. If you say we should remove our beret, fine, we can remove our beret. But saying that we can't wear our shirts.
He's not the one in charge of this gate. He is in charge of here.
These people that take on ourselves. Talk to them.
No, how can they keep you here? They are here to protect all of us. Do you understand? The police are not the one that kept you here. They didn't employ you. They are here to protect me and you.
We are just here for peace.
No, police is not here. Police does not keep you here.
Come to come and arrest anybody. Rather, they are here to maintain peace.
Peace.
And that is the peace we come with.
They are here to protect ourselves from any danger.
Security for us.
Protect us from any harm.
Because the police are our friends. And we are also fighting for them.
Abio.
They are suffering.
Our fight is also to make sure that
so that police are well paid. No. I know you will say that now, but in your bedroom when you lie down, there are some things that gets to you.
Whatever it is you are enjoying today,
you can enjoy better.
That it is as a struggle of the civil organization.
What was
fighting place for the Nigerian police.
Yes. We are also fighting that police must be well paid. Their family must be taken care of. It's not that's the thing we're talking about.
So you suffer now.
You see our demands, they are very clear.
They are very clear. Even your parents, they should be
clear that the police will be well keep all these book of 18.
No, I'm trying to accept some people.
We are fighting for a better Nigeria. All of us will enjoy it together.
When they promise 100,000 million with that, they're not paying. Now we they shout.
Now we there they shout now. All of Nigeria. What did they beat us? They shout that maybe they
give you allowance say you stand. You say for other countries,
they drive jeep or 5
now
or
they
5
fight
million.
now we that they beat.
How many jeep you
Now
get?
they fight for better Nigeria.
You know they entitled to jeep. You don't entitled to jeep. You are doing more work than your senators.
Yes, now what you are doing is you are putting your life on the line.
You are putting your life on the line for me and my children and my family. You deserve the utmost respect.
The secret about this is the internal security, isn't it?
Yes.
We can try to complement both the external and the internal aspect. Those who are coming by also to protect. But at times, I believe all of you are mounted At least 90% are educated among you.
Yes. If not all.
If not all.
They just left when that 1 hour standard was announced.
Okay.
So we have not returned.
Who are the comings upstairs?
I don't know. Mr. is there, Shosh is there, with many people. Amin is there. A lot of people.
Comrades, Otagwan, they said we don't have the liberty to wear shirts.
And we should allow this.
So, what we are, they called for reinforcement now. For we are 9. You understand?
I'm a doing that for you. So that the show comes.
See the heavy security presence.
You don't put everything on.
It's online. About 44 people are watching.
So don't let it be too open.
Comrade, liberty is being questioned. What do you have to say about that?
Well, this is Nigeria. That's one of the reasons I'm saying revolutionary now. But we can't continue to live in shame. Nigeria is not a banana republic. This is a country that has laws and constitution. So when what they're telling us now that in short, even the authority are the one perpetrating lawlessness against peaceful citizens. Because how would they disallow us?
Peaceful citizens without arms.
And now from attending, observing
court proceedings.
I mean, it's something that, in short, international community will be very embarrassed to see that. I mean, peaceful
is laughable.
It's allowed. They're even saying that we should go naked. That's the honest part.
That's idiotic.
So you are going to describe
that's my silver. That's idiotic. The most idiotic statement I've ever heard.
I mean, I don't understand what is going on in this country anymore.
Yeah. How can orange beret be a threat or to national security?
Now there's a category allowed that you don't get that court. You must show the kind of clothes you want to put on. This is a laudable and it's a serious case. We need to begin to rise against it. It's not going to help us in this country. Another Nigeria is possible.
So I think the information is that they had a 1 hour stand down earlier on. So that means there's nothing even going on. So they're supposed to resume by 11, and this is 11:30. This is 11:30, and the lawyers are leaving the court, and Sowore is not here yet, saying which to me seemed to.
It's a situation of irresponsibility in justice.
Wow. Is this a case of justice denied or justice served?
It's an ineptitude of justice.
Wow.
Lawlessness of the courts.
Wow, I just got a message here. Court has struck out DSS application to detain Sowore for more days. Falana insists that order of 45 days granted to DSS should be vacated, and since there is no renewal, and therefore asks for the release of the respondents in line with section 35 of the Constitution.
Okay, where is that?
I think that's what's going on inside there.
No, who plays that update? Where do you read that update?
That's from Erica Iwanyanwu, Chidi Iwanyanwu's wife. Please, what is the situation report from the court? This is a big shit, Evans. Sentimental. Worship Media is following the updates, so next one to Worship Media. I think the plan is for APC to destroy the political career of Sowore by tagging him a criminal. I smell evil in this matter. This is a joint agreement of the cabals. Tayo Ni. Sentimental. I knew they will always publish propaganda. They will always push propaganda. That's very correct. I myself, I said that I doubt there will be any matter in court today. And call me futuristic, but that's Nigerian system for you. Why can't we ever get a live update from inside the That's the third dream.
And
Nigerian system is another type of Nigerian judicial system is another type of system. Prosecuting. Wow, a lot of people are interested in what's going on. The prosecuting counsel argues that Sowore has been charged with a capital offense, which is conspiracy to commit treason, and by the provisions of the section of the Constitution in section can only be admitted to bail by judge of a higher court under exceptional consequences. It is not a big deal it's not a big deal. Get a live coverage from inside the hub. Niger case in the okay. Good job, guys. Sowore must be free now. Yeah. We all want the same thing. What's going on here? That Jane Okonji. Please, where is Femi? Femi, FF is inside, trying to get the case resolved as soon as possible. Bola, revolution now must stand. I agree with you wholeheartedly. He said that's Eric Iwanyanwu. He said that it is the court that will determine the person's rights to freedom of movement, be granted or withheld in certain circumstances. Where am I? Prosecuting counsel submit that for the interest of justice and national security, this court makes an order that the bail or otherwise of Sowore be determined by the court that will hear the criminal trial. Wow. There's a lot going inside that place that we don't know about. Why are they keeping us here?
They don't know what they don't do. They don't pass many of their distance now.
They are saying they are talking about giving the German yam treatment.
Stop giving us
No live stream allowed in courts. Yeah, that's true. Nigerian government official here now. I agree with you. God will God will punish them for free show. Well, we also need to come down here and free show ourselves. I believe in God too, but we all need to do the needful. God keeps strengthening you guys. Good job, thank you so much. Thank you too. I know you are with us. Yeah, I have skipped. Do not be discouraged, guys. Adewale. Are you discouraged?
Yes, I'm not saying what I need.
You are more encouraged.
I need the code, something code, and now I'm getting it already.
Okay, so you are encouraged, and you are not giving up, true? Further, what do you have to say about the treatment of the states to civil protesters?
We just embarked on a 12-hour journey from Lagos just because we have come to submit ourselves to the state has been declared as large. So we have come to the court to declare that we are not at large, we are in large and in numbers, and we are in Nigeria and we are Nigerians. And we have no other place to go than this place. This is our home. And we are here to solidarize with our leader and our fellow comrade, Omoyele Sowore.
You can't declare Nigerians at large.
No, it's not possible. We have never even left the country. So how would we be at large? So we are the same comrades, fellow comrades who are in it together with Omoyele Sowore.
Yes.
We planned it.
And we want revolution.
That you can see.
We want revolution.
And you would even see that as a student and children of history, you would agree with me that there has never been any government in the history of the country that has been ridiculed in principle, in practice, and even in administration. They have no clue, they have no sense of I don't know what to put it. But then again, we've made a mistake, and that is why we are out here to correct the mistake that whoever has made on behalf of the people, and that's why we want to correct it and seek for a revolution of the mind. We need the people to start seeing themselves as the main persons in charge of this country, not very few people out there pursuing and big starting on our national
patrimony
and our commonwealth,
Trophying and legending
on our money. And so we are here and we are in good spirit. And the information reaching us is that Omoyele Sowore is also in very, very high spirit, and we are here to also boost that morale and the Sowore that we know that you know would never in any way relent.
Yes, thank you for that. Comrade Wiseman, one of the wisest in Nigeria. When you don't know this man, you are not wise. One of the wisest fellow in Nigeria, and when we don't have wise people in government, we have wise people outside government. So we need to change the system, removing the unwise from government and putting the wise people in government. So what do you have to say about today?
Of course, you can see now the Nigerian ruling class has shown again their ineptitude they have also shown that they are never democratic. They don't keep to their own rules. They are the ones who said they will bring Sowore to court today. They are not able to arraign him in court. Our lawyers are inside. Most of the applications of the DSS are being quashed, and I think the DSS is afraid the court doing the bail. You know, and what we are saying is just free Sowore. Stop playing all these pranks. Stop going like this, like that, like this. Free him and let's move on. And let Sowore move on. Then we have no other thing that we're asking. Yeah. Free Omoyele Sowore now.
Yeah. Thank you, wise man.
Thank you so much.
Always on point. We have Comrade Kofu Beckley. The star host of Revolution Now TV.
Star, but she doesn't like Star.
Yeah, she doesn't like Star, but she's good at
1759.
Yeah, 1759, that's the time of legends.
So
Yeah, what do you have to say about today?
Say that again.
So what do you have to say about today? What can you see?
Yeah.
What do you feel?
We're at the court premises, the Federal High Court here in Abuja, Terra District, and we're still waiting for the DSS to bring Sowore to court. He's going to stand down for like an hour. So far, it looks like it doesn't look like, you know, Nigerians are serious about this. When I say Nigerians are very serious about this, because court session should have started, should have commenced by 11 a.m. a couple of times now. The prosecuting counsel is not even here. So how can vote? So this will stand down. So far we're still waiting for the arrival of
Yeah, comrade. Something happened. Something happened earlier. Security agents were telling you to remove your shirt, knowing fully well you don't have any other thing on there apart from your.
Felt intimidated, you know, seeing the orange barracks and had description, revolution. As soon as we alighted from the car, the cop brought me the suit. The first thing they said was, "We cannot go into the court premises." So I said, "Why? We are Nigerians, and this is a court of law in Nigeria." And the first person who came around to him was a lawyer, and he had spoken to Mr. Heavy Fallon, I say, and that he had, you know, he had instructions from the court administrator that people in branded T-shirts and, you know, who carry backpacks and banners could not come to the court premises. And so my first question was, we don't even have banners, we don't have placards in us. But then you can't dictate to Nigerians what to wear. It is absolutely my decision, it's my prerogative what I choose to wear. So I don't see how it becomes, you know, something that should determine my ability to because it's branded, because it has Revolution Now. Is that something that's a ruling in the court or something? I mean, how can you prove that in Nigeria, the court has to determine what you wear? Now, if you ask me to put it up, are you asking me to go into the court premises, half nude or something? Because I don't get it. And so we've been on it for a while now, and we're saying that we will not leave this place. We're remaining here. We want to see Sowore being brought here, and when the time comes, and we feel we have to go in there, we will surely do that, because we are Nigerians, and this is Nigeria.
Yeah. I think, according to Worship Media, Prosecuting Counsel Agbadua urged the court to strike the balance whether Sowore be admitted to bail or released from the custody. That means I think they are trying to say that the admit Sowore of bail or they should just release Sowore from custody.
Obviously, that should be the situation now, because I mean, you keep holding a man in custody for no just cause, for no reason at all. Now, bring him to court and let him start. You've got charges against him. So let's put this aside now. Now you've refused to bring him. Another thing is, we don't even know what we can do with him. He's been held in detention for over 45 days, as granted by the court. And don't forget that he was there before the court actually granted a 45 days detention for him. And so Nigerians want to know what the situation is now. Why do you hold a man for no just cause? So you either want to grant him bail either on self-accommodation or you want charities to stand, just check something, or you just strike as still happen today. We're not leaving here.
I agree with you. From Worship Media again, Femi Falana reminded the court that there is no bail application because before the court, filing of an information cannot metamorphose into a remand order. He urged the court to discountenance the prayer by the prosecution for misleading the court that the respondent is facing a capital offense. That is.
I don't see any case.
Oh, man, a lot is going on in there, man. A lot is going on there. Filing of an information cannot metamorphose into a remand order. So, yeah, guys, did you get that? So even if they want to file,
that's true. They only provided a piece of information.
If they want to file a case, they should just release your reference while they are filing their case. Because when you want to file a case, does not necessarily mean that you should remand the person in prison or the person should remain in detention because you want to file a case. Mr. Holland said, camera, can you please go inside the courtroom? I want to see my shoulder. Mr. Holland, at least if let me turn around and show you the level of intimidation that we are going through here. We are just with leaflets and wearing free show now shirts, and they came out with guns that we should not enter the court premises. In fact, they say we should remove we should go naked. Our liberty is always being questioned, and the more we keep quiet, it looks like we don't have hope for this country. But we will always continue to talk. We continue to demand our rights. Socialists, I have not been able to get in touch with you since we arrived amidst the hostilities at the court gates by people that are sworn to protect us and guide us. So,
okay, you want me to talk? So,
yeah. So, what do you have to say about that?
Well, good day, people. We are here at the Federal High Court here in Abuja, Nigeria. We came pertaining to Omoyele Sowore's case versus the State Security Service and the Federal Government of Nigeria. So we came here earlier this morning, and the security agents stopped us from going inside, claiming that some of our members are on a T-shirt which has Free Sowore and some other comrades on it. So, we told them that this is a cloth, and even if it is a uniform, there's no constitution or law that stops anyone from going into the court, which is a public premises, because you are putting on a uniform or something. So that's what we've been trying to settle out here, but we are not even mindful of them, because we are educating Nigerians here, sharing these handbills. But we are still waiting, because the federal government and the DSS are yet to bring Omoyele Sowore to the court, and the prosecuting counsel is yet to be present at the court, despite the fact that the judge is here and the defendants are here. Femi Falana and other lawyers and senior advocates of Nigeria are here in the court. The court held a session already, so they are currently on break. So it seems the Nigerian government is confused. They don't even know where they should take the case to, and they are yet to even agree on what they should come and argue in the court. However, the judge has struck out their inquiry to detain Omoyele Sowore for other days. They were asking for 20 extra days. The judge has struck that out. So we are still waiting for Omoyele Sowore to come over and the DSS. So thank you as you stay with us. Please share, inform people. We need your solidarity.
And they said it's obvious that Sowore is not coming to court today.
We can't say, the Nigerian government
does it not amount to animal farm?
They are very dubious and we don't even know. They might bring him, they might not bring him. They might just want to frustrate the citizens. It's part of their regular activity. That's what they do. So we don't know. We'll wait here. Whether they bring him or not, we'll be here. This is our country. Abuja is the federal capital of Nigeria. We are Nigerians. Nobody can take us away from here, whether by force or by chance. So that is the truth. Whether they bring him or not, justice will prevail. That is it.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, socialist. Come and find me.
Yes.
Lucky me. We're in Abuja, and Sowore is nowhere to be found.
In fact, you don't know
what's happening. What are the feeds you can get inside from inside?
Right since yesterday, we've been getting feedbacks, or let me say, updates. And there's every possibility that because this government has seen that it is so embarrassing, so insulting, and frivolous, those charges, and so it's becoming a daily embarrassment on the government. So now, bringing him before the courts, bringing before any judge now they are finding it very hard to do. And so we've been here. The case has been stand down for it's running into the second hour now. It was supposed to continue by 11 a.m. but we are already.
This is 10 minutes to 12.
To 12. So so they cannot say they are not prepared for this case. They cannot say they are not prepared, but we are also prepared. And in this case, it is not a case of a man who does not understand the political terrain in Nigeria. This is someone who has been through anything that you want to talk about when it comes to fighting for justice for this in this country, So they understand that it's going to be very, very difficult, because I told some people that this is more of a court of public opinion kind of case than court of law.
Yes.
So already in the court of public opinion we have won, we've defeated them.
Yeah.
The reason why no judge wants to pick up this case file is because even there also in the court of law, we have defeated them even before coming to the court. So it is just laughable that any person would charge, as in any reasonable government would charge an activist for insulting the president, the person of the president.
Terrible.
So for me, as I've said it several times, it's just a waste of time to insult an insult. Buhari is an insult already. So you're now insulting an insult. It's a waste of time. Sowore will not waste his time doing that. He has better things to do. So let them come up with serious cases. Let them come up with serious charges. Then we'll know where we are going to. Because they said he went to Dubai. He met with some people, some foreign people, quote and unquote, to destabilize Nigeria. Now in the charge sheet, they removed Dubai. Dubai is not in the charge sheet anymore. They said he collected money. He met with Nnamdi Kanu, they removed that one. It's not there anymore. It's now that he transferred money from his account to his company's accounts. So that one is money laundering.
So, do you mean that you can't transfer your own money to your own money?
Stupidity. That's why we said it's too frivolous. It has happened to Gani Fawehinmi. Gani Fawehinmi was charged for stealing his own camera.
Wow.
So it's simple. Fela, what happened? You have a man moving with bullion vans in his house every day during election. That one is not money laundering, it's money movement.
Wow.
So that's bullshit. So we are yet to see what anybody would say on the case.
So what do you think about jailing activists? Because we still have Agbajalingo, we still have Dadiata, we still have mandates, Jay Saviri, and negotiating with bandits.
Definitely. The major issue is this. No government anywhere likes criticism. Everywhere in the world, no government likes criticism. But the level of tolerance is just different according to how society evolves. For example, in the US, if you pick up a placard, just picking up a placard alone as a citizen, and you are just moving, Trump will want to hear what you are saying. You understand? That's another level. They've gotten to that level where they take every criticism from every citizen. They take it serious. You understand? Yeah. But here in our own space, we've not gotten to that level at all. You go out to protest and police tear gas you, brutalize, arrest, they do all of those things.
Why are you fighting for that same police?
Definitely. And then they tell you that you are supposed to get police permits. You know, all those very rubbish kind of statements. So many cases have been won in court over this particular issue. Even by the same Buhari in 2003, when he had a rally and the those guys, ANPP. Well, that was when he was in ANPP.
Yes,
and the court ruled.
And you said Buhari that went to meet Femi Falana.
Definitely, the court ruled that you don't need any police permits for any procession. Nobody needs any police permit for anything. So these are things that we should educate Nigerians about, so that they can even know what's happening. So for jailing activists, as I've said, it is a clear indication that we are in a very oppressive regime. You know, all regimes are oppressive, but this one is of another crescendo. You understand? Where you sing, you sing, and for that reason you are picked up. You understand? So it just shows the level of oppression.
All right, thank you.
All right.
While we continue to monitor what's happening in the Federal High Court. Thank you, guys.